Hello students, today we are going to um talk about division by large number. Okay, so I will tell you some easy and short method when you divide a number by large number. What are the rules and how to follow and how to find out the quotient and remainder. So listen carefully, step by step I will tell you, then you can understand. First of all, see, I have taken this number ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 72,845 divided by 9. So first when you are going to divide, first you have to choose the number. First, how many digits you are going to take? One digit or two digit or three digits. So in this you have more doubt. So now I will tell you clearly. First, you have to check divisor. Which number you have divisor? Like here, 9 is a divisor. So based on this divisor, you can plan and you can take two digits or one digits, depends upon the divisor. Okay, first you have to check, we have to compare the dividend of first two digits. Okay, it's both are equal, you can take one digit. If it is the divisor is small but dividend is big, means you can take one digit. But if divisor is big but dividend one digit is small, you can take two digit. What I am telling, you understand or not? See, I will tell you. Now I am going to divide. So 72,845 I am going to divide by 9. First you have to check the dividend first digit. First digit is 7. The divisor is 9. If you compare both number 9 and 7, 9 is the big number compared than 7. So we cannot take one digit. We want to take one more digit. So the near number 2 is there. So if you take 2, now this is the big. Okay, now you can divide. So what I am telling, when you are dividing any number, okay, you have to check the dividend is always bigger than the divisor. The dividend always bigger than the divisor. Now see, 9 and compared than 7, dividend is small, divisor is big. We can't divide this kind of numbers. So what I told you, the dividend always big number. So now I will take two digits, compare than the two digits, this is the small. So now we can divide. Okay, so what I will do, I will take first two digit, I am going to divide the number. Okay, so 72. Now I want to say the table 9 table, when the 72 is come, so I want to tell. So you have to remember the multiplication table, then only you can find the answer. Okay, so 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27. Okay, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45. Okay, 6 9s are 54. Okay, 7 9s are 52. Okay, 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. So because I have taken two digit number 72 I have taken, so I told the table 8 9s are 72. So 8 9s are 72. So now we want to subtract. So remainder 0, we know very well. Now we have three digits remaining. One by one we have to take down. Okay, so first I will take down 8. Okay, now see, I told you the dividend always bigger than the divisor. Then only we can divide. In this place, see, here 8 is the small compared than divisor. Okay? Because I told you when we start this video, I told you inside always big number, outside always small number. We can easily divide. But see, here 8 is the compared than 9 is small, because 9 greater than 8. Because 8 is a small number, 9 is the big number. So we cannot divide. So what I will do, just I put here 1 0. Okay, here 1 0. So 8 minus 0, 8. Okay, now the remaining number 4 is there now. So I will take down. So 4. Okay, now 4. Now I want to tell the 9 table up to 84. So already I told you 9 8s are 72. Okay, 9 8s are 72. So after that 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. Okay, so 9 9s are 81. So after this division, we have to subtract. So 84 minus 1, we got 3 as a remainder. So 8 minus 8, 0. Okay. Now the remaining number 5 is there. Huh? So I will take down. So 35. Okay. Now I am going to divide by 9. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. 3 9s are 27. Okay, 27. 4 9s are 48. So 36. 4 9s are 36. So 36 means 36 is bigger than the 35. So we have to take 3 times. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. So 3 9s are 27. So if you subtract 35 minus 27, you got 8. 8 as a remainder. So quotient is equal to 8093. Remainder is equal to 8. So see, I find out quotient and remainder. So I already told you how division have some algorithm. So use that algorithm. I am going to find out the dividend. I find out quotient and remainder. So use this. I am going to find the dividend. How I find out? See. So as per that algorithm, last video I told you that algorithm, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. That's a formula. Sorry, algorithm. What is algorithm? Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So here I find out quotient as a 8093 as a quotient, remainder 8. We know already divisor 9. So use this algorithm. I am going to find out I am going to check my answer is right or wrong. Okay. So 8093 multiplied by 9. Okay. So 9 3s are 27. 27 7 here, remainder 2. So 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 2, 83. So 83, remainder 8. So 9 0 0. So 8 I will put as it is. So 9 8s are 72. So I will write as it is 72. So I multiplied the divisor and quotient I have multiplied. Now I want to add remainder. So remainder 8. So 7 plus 8, 15, 5, remainder 1, 4, 8, 2, 7. So my answer, see, 72845, 72845. So both are same. So my answer is correct. Okay. Hello students. Okay. Last class we talk about how to divide a large number by one digit number. Let me see. I will tell you when we divide by large number by two digit number. How to divide a large number divided by a two digit number. Okay, let me take some example. Divide 652 by 17. So 17 is a two digit number. So 652, when you are going to divide by this number, how many digits you are going to take first to divide? So I will tell you first of all. Here 652 divided by 17. So if you take one digit 6, compare than 17. 17 is the divisor, 6 is the dividend. Compare than these numbers, dividend, divisor is big. So we cannot divide. I already told you. So what you will do? You can take two digit. So 65. So 65 means dividend is big. Now you can divide. Okay. Okay. So first I will take two digit number. Now I am going to divide 17. So you don't know 17 table. Okay. So how you can find out this product? 17. How to divide this 17? Okay. So I will tell you simply. In 65, how many 17s are there? For this kind of situation, you can multiply or you can add. So I assume I will take some example. 517. 517 not 417. I will take 417. No, 317. Okay, 317. So 317, 17, 17, 17. So if I add 3 sevens are 21. So 2 remainder 3, 4, 5, 51. So 317, 51. So I will do that. 3 17s are 51. Okay. So you can do like this or you can do like this. See, 3 into 17. Multiply. So 3 sevens are 21. 1. Remainder 2. 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 5. 51. You can add or multiply. Anyone you can, anyway you can find the that answer. Okay. So you can use both way, add or multiply. So 3 70s are 51. Now I want to subtract. So 5 minus 1, 4. 6 minus 5, 1. So 14 is the remainder. So the remaining two digits there, na? So I will get down. I will take down. So 142. Now how you will find out how many 17s are there in this 142? How many 17s are there in 142? I already told you, you can add or use multiply. So I will tell approximately 5 times. Or 5 times, okay, 5 times. 5 into 17. So 7 5s are 35. 35, 5, remainder 3. So 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So 85. But I want to 142. So I will take 7 times. 7 into 17. 7 sevens are 49. Remainder 4. 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So 119. But I want to 142. So I will take 8 times. 8 into 17. So 8 sevens are 56. 56 6, 5 remainder. Okay. So 1 8 is 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So 136. Okay. So if you take more than 8, it will come, see, 9. If you take 9, 9 into 17. 9 8s are 9 sevens are 63. So 6 remainder. 1 9 is 9. 9 plus 6, 15. See, 153 is gone. 153 compared than 142 is bigger. big number. So we can't take 9 times, we can take 8 times. So 8 17s are 136. If you subtract, here 3, here 12. So 6 is the remainder. So see, 38 is the quotient, 6 is the remainder, 17 we know we will divide the 64. So do you want to check your answer is right or wrong? So I already told you, in addition there I have some algorithm. Use that algorithm, you can find. So divisor multiplied by quotient, addition, remainder. So divisor 17 multiplied by quotient 38 plus remainder 6. So first I will multiply this number. 8 sevens are 56. So remainder 5. 8 1 8s are 8. 8 plus 5 13. Okay. Now 3 sevens are 21. 2 remainder. 3 1 3. 3 plus 2 5. So 6 4 6. 646 plus 6. Remainder 6 now. So 6 plus 6 12. 12 2. Remainder 1 5. See. 6 5 2. So my answer is correct. So you can solve the other exercise sums. Okay. We will see next class.